Hey boys, hey girls, we're going to be building us a new computer today, and I'm not going to really do a video of it. I'm just going to show y'all the components and show you a picture when we're done. Now we've got all kind of stuff here. What is this? 2 gigabyte VGA NVIDIA VGA video card. Got a 730 watt front panel USB SATA, fan controller. There's the memory, 16 gigabytes of Corsair. The PC itself is a AMD it's a FX 830, 3.5. Here's the motherboard we're using. Whoops. See glare in your face there. Asus. Got a solid state drive for the 2 terabyte storage and other stuff in a clear case. And this is a case. It's got all the fans are lit, and so we're gonna mount all this stuff in it. You know, one thing's really important when you're working on any computer. I've got most of it assembled here. You want to come around here and take a look-see. Got a little bit. The I/O panel, the fan control, and I got a place to warm your sandwich up right here on top. And I've got the down lower and the backup, got a fan blowing right on them. Nice and cool. This case has got a total of 5 fans. That makes 6. Now mounting the memory requires some pressure to get them seated. You got to put some pressure on it to get it to the fan itself. And glass or acrylic case, I don't want to crack it. I don't want to put excessive pressure. In the memory, it's sitting in the box it came in. It's a static paper. And then I'll take it and put it over here. I got to ground myself. I'm taking a break right now. I had to go get a pop. Yeah, we got her all done and hadn't fired it up yet. Hopefully the motherboard's good, no matter who made it. So anyway, I got 2 motherboards. If I take it out, I'm ready to do it. They have PC modding content every year, and the winner gets a prize for building the coolest case. And they'll make cases out of all kind of stuff. I mean, I often build computers in little barbecue pits. Mount everything inside of the brand new one, you know, barbecue pit. Mount everything in there, and I've seen one that looks like R2-D2. Computer built into a little R2-D2. I've seen them built. There's one real cool one. Looks like a V8 engine. And it's got like a fake carburetor on top with a hill burn or a scoop like would be on top of a supercharger. And there's some cool ones. Yeah. So here it is right here. And come on, camera. Move over this way, boy. One of the most important things is making sure you kind of tidy up so you can get airflow through the top. Got a fan here, one big one here pulling out. Both of these are pullers. Pusher here. Got another pusher on this side in the front. And I got 2 pushers that go on the side panel also. And this is going to be a pretty build because all these fans have blue in them, and I got a blue cathode right here. And you could tidy the cables up even more. I mean, there's a lot of wires in here. Just plug in. The feet even glow blue. They got LEDs in them and they blink and wink and look like the Enterprise taking off. So let me put the side panel on it and plug the little fans in right here. Like that. So we got to plug the fan wires in and get the fingerprints off it. And it's going to be a nice build. Main thing you got to watch too is make sure like no fans. There's a fan right down here too. Mess you up. And you'd be pissed off to the highest level of pissivity. What's funny is the case kit. This came as a kit. Came with these soft white gloves where you can scratch your face. And oh well, it's gonna get them. Well, here it is. Here it is getting a burn in. It's all up and running, and got the BIOS screen open. Look, it say non-union on the fan. Also got it to say, "Hey boy," and a couple other things. Cool, huh? Yep. You can play with the fans controllers. Turn them high, low, off, whatever. And that's just fans. Pretty little case, ain't it? I think so too. I can turn that cathode off as well. And the little feet. So you can make them dance. They blue, I don't know, it looks funny. Christmassy, huh? Or just turn them. Nope. I like the fit into explode look.